Good day to all. In the previous class, we were discussing about our new lesson, that is chapter 3, that is reproduction in animals. In that, we have discussed about oviparous animals and viviparous animal. What are viviparous animals and what are oviparous animals? And we have also discussed about their types also. In this class, we are going to discuss about what is terrestrial oviparous animals. So before that, let me ask you, what is oviparous animal? Oviparous animal is nothing but which give birth by laying eggs. Which give birth to their young one by laying eggs. Giving birth to young one by laying eggs is called as oviparous animal. So what is terrestrial oviparous animal? Terrestrial oviparous animal is nothing but the animal which lives on the land is called as terrestrial animal, and the animal which live on the land and give birth to their young ones by laying eggs is called as terrestrial oviparous animal. What is terrestrial oviparous animal? An animal which lives on the land. An animal which lives on the land and give birth to their young ones by laying eggs is called as terrestrial oviparous animals. Examples for this are insects, crocodiles, turtles, alligators, lizards and snakes are the some examples for oviparous animal, terrestrial oviparous animals. And children, crocodiles and turtles, alligators, they lay eggs near the pit of a river bank. Near the river bank. What is this pit? Pit is nothing but it is a hole. Near the rivers there will be small holes, right? Near that they start laying eggs. In that holes they start laying eggs. So that after laying eggs, the parental animal covers the eggs with the sand. What happens? After laying eggs, the animal starts laying eggs. Okay, this is a pit and you think here she starts laying eggs. After laying, these eggs will be covered. These eggs will be covered with the help of sand. Okay, due to like this, the shell of an egg will be very hard. So it do not break. It does not break, children. So what happens? Some may all eggs do not hatch. All eggs do not hatch. Why? Because because the eggs may not get sufficient warmth. They may not get sufficient heat from the sun, and also some are eaten by their predators. Predators means it may, like this eggs may be food for the other animals, like that. So these are the things. Some and mostly only few eggs can be hatched out due to these two reasons. After the eggs hatch, the mother crocodile and the alligators pick their babies. What they do, crocodiles and this alligators, they pick their babies. They pick their babies with the help of mouth into the water. They use their mouth to take the babies into the near the water. Now, what about this crocodiles? These crocodiles, what they do, they themselves start moving. These turtles, they themselves start moving from near pit to the bank, like near the bank of river, like they move into the water bodies. In the sense, they move into the water. Next, what happened? Most of the snakes lay eggs. Almost all snakes lay eggs, children. Most of the snakes, what they do? They lay eggs. They lay eggs. Okay, but there are some snakes, that is garter snake and boa snake, that are reproduced by giving birth. These two snakes, what is this? Garter snake and boa snake, what they do, they they directly give birth to their young ones. They directly give birth to their young ones. Understood? These are the snakes. Almost snakes lay eggs, but these snakes, what they do, they directly give birth to their young ones. The baby snakes, how even we directly are born, right? Our mother do not lay eggs. So how we are developed in our mother womb. Similar to that, even the snakes get developed in their mother's womb. They get developed, and whereas due to unfavorable, they cannot move in that. Why? Because in that conditions, due to unfavorable, they cannot hatch their eggs. Due to unfavorable conditions where eggs cannot be hatched out. So at that time they directly give birth. These snakes. Okay, all snakes usually they lay eggs, but these snakes do not lay eggs. Why? Why? Because due to unfavorable conditions they give directly birth. Environment do not, it is not in the favor to lay, like if they lay eggs also, some predators may eat, or they do not get some effective heat from the sunlight. Due to that disadvantages, they directly give birth like us. Directly the small baby young one snakes are developed inside the mother's womb. Slowly it is given birth. The small snakes come out. Understood? Many lizards lay eggs, while some skinks gives birth to their young ones. Usually lizards they lay eggs, but what is this? Skins is nothing but it is a smooth and short. A smooth and short or no limbs lizard. Lizard is called as sphinx. What is this? This is the name of a lizard. This has no legs, or it has some short legs. Understood? They give birth to their young ones. But most probably all lizards give birth by laying eggs. But this snake, the name of this is skins. This one, what it does, it directly give birth. Okay? How we can identify? It is smooth and short or no limbs. It does not have limbs, or it is in smooth. When we see it, it will be in smooth condition, like smooth. Most of the insects lay eggs, and eggs are sticky, so that they hang on any surface like wood, leaves, and even bodies of animals. What happens? These insects, these know what they do. They lay eggs. What happen? How their eggs will be? Their eggs will be very sticky. These eggs will be very sticky. So this, what happens? They stick on the leaves or the surface of any surface of any object or any animal, like surface on the body surface. So what happens when they stick on that? They directly stick on that and they start slowly hatching out. Understood? Next, butterflies, bees, beetles, houseflies, stick bugs, grasshoppers, and etc. are the insects that lay eggs, that are laying eggs, and cockroach and aphids are the insects that give birth to the young ones. See, almost all insects like butterflies, bees, beetles, houseflies, stick bugs, grasshoppers, this all give, like they start laying eggs and daily they hatch out. But like cockroach and aphids, these are the two insects that give birth, directly they give birth as human beings. give birth to young ones. Okay, in this we have learned that some animals they directly give birth and some animals they may lay eggs. In that also we have discussed like which animals are going to lay eggs and which animals are going to give birth. So this is about this terrestrial oviparous animals. Thank you.